Hi guys, I'm not entirely sure how much you can see, if anything, but yesterday I got 2 batteries via Uzbekistan. It only took 3 months. I ordered them from AliExpress. They're very cheap. They measure pretty good. 3.9 volts. 3.9 volts. I need one to replace the battery in the right hand earbud. This one. So to access the thing, you have to. I find this box cutter blade works pretty well to lever the thing apart very, very gently, otherwise you'll break it. There's a notch inside. It's a bit dark in here. There we go. So you just pull this part off. And inside there's a battery. So, trying not to short circuit the battery, we remove it. I covered it in tape, actually, I remember. So there's no chance of short circuiting. Famous last words. So it is going to be a bit tricky to solder these wires, but not too difficult. So I need to plug in my soldering iron. If you can hear noises in the background, it's because there's Tina, Angela, Gail, and Tracy in the garden doing crazy women stuff, and dogs barking all the time. Come on. Why no switch on? Because Mr. Marengo has been up here. Exactly. So, I'll get the soldering iron. Let's remove this tape. It's very sticky. I made a pretty good job of this. You'll notice that you won't see any manicured hands here. I do too many dirty jobs, and I'm always hitting myself in the fingers with hammers and stuff. I'm fairly sure that this battery is dodgy. Or it could just be the solder joint, but it won't charge beyond 70%, and it's doing strange things. It's causing the... Come on. It's causing the radio app to close on the phone. So there's some kind of intermittent, it doesn't look good, the battery. Can you see? The terminals. It looks pretty shocking really. And almost shorting out. But this is going to be really tricky to do. These are 30 milliampere hour batteries. I'm not sure what this is. They're the same size, which is something, I guess. I don't know what you guys can see. I always use a big tip. Yeah, the big tip gives you a greater thermal mass and it allows for a faster desoldering. I think I'm going to make a pig's ear of this because it's very tricky. You've got to be careful with these batteries also. Very dodgy. It's why the battery had to come via Uzbekistan, because Cyprus doesn't allow batteries to be posted, and because there's a new worldwide postal system that you may or may not be aware of, countries have to inform each other what's in the post. It's to prevent, this is going to be really tricky. It's to prevent items that are prohibited from being trafficked from one country to another. I'm going to have to work out a way of doing this. I need this to be slightly higher. I don't have very much wire there. I may be able to do it. Come on. Come on. The wires are very short. A bit dark in here too. I think that's one. Yeah, that's one. This terminal isn't tinned so well. Oh God. So, I need a closer look. I need a closer look. Excuse me. No, that's a bad connection. I don't like it. Let's hold it down. Like that. Try not to burn a soldering iron lead. That's better. That's better. I need to have a closer look. Where are you? That is okay. That's okay. So let's see if our tape still works. Unlock the tape. Move the speaker. Pop the battery back in. We'll do it this way, so there's no chance of this shorting against the speaker. This is really tricky for something so simple. Now you have to line up the notch. There's a notch there. There it is, I think. I don't know. I can't see a thing. Yes, the notch is there. And there we go, it just clips back in place. So the proof of the pudding is we need to charge it up. And see if it goes beyond the 70% and see if it's more stable than it was before. So reduce the temperature of this. I'm a little bit short of plug sockets. It says it's charging. So now we wait. What's that vehicle? You okay, Rangy? No touch anything, boy. I'll just measure the voltage of the old battery. I don't know if you can see, but it's 3.1 volts. It's nowhere near high enough. Don't forget these batteries have been in transit for 3 months. They're 3.9, almost 4 volts. So my guess is that this is a bad battery. You can see, it's a mess. The terminals are a mess. You see? I don't know if that'll focus. They're very cheap, these batteries. You can get them for 30 cents from AliExpress. It's just the waiting time. So, as soon as you open the lid, they pair with the phone. And you see already 90% battery. It's never done that before. Never. it'll go to 100. So then it should stop all that craziness that's going on. There's obviously something very badly wrong with the battery that is causing indeterminate functionality with the electronics. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.